In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print multiple pictures on one page in Windows 10 and Windows 11. This is really handy if you want to save paper, create a quick photo collage, or print contact sheet style layouts without using any special software. We're going to use only the built-in Photos app and the standard Windows print dialog, so you don't need to download anything extra. First, make sure all the pictures you want to print are already saved on your computer, and ideally in the same folder. This just makes them easier to select. Open File Explorer, browse to that folder, and take a moment to confirm that the images look correct and are the versions you actually want to print. Next, select the photos you'd like to include on the page. You can do this by holding down the Ctrl key on your keyboard while clicking each picture you want. If you need a whole range of pictures in a row, click the first one, hold down Shift, and then click the last one in the range. You should now see all of your chosen photos highlighted. Once you have your selection, right-click on any one of the highlighted images. In the menu that appears, choose the Print option. This will open the standard Windows photo printing window. This is where you'll decide how many photos go on each page and how they're arranged. At the top, make sure the correct printer is selected. If you have multiple printers or a PDF printer, click the drop-down and choose the physical printer you actually want to use. Double-check that your printer is turned on and has paper loaded. On the right side of the window, you'll see layout options such as full-page photo, 4:06, 5:7, 8:10, and so on. Below those, you'll see layouts that say things like Wallet, Contact Sheet, or that clearly show multiple photos per page in the little preview. Click through these layouts and watch the preview update to see how many images will fit on a single sheet and how they'll be arranged. You can also adjust options like paper size, quality, and whether the picture should fit the frame or keep its original proportions. If parts of your image look cut off, try unchecking the Fit Picture to Frame option so the whole photo is visible, even if there are small white borders. Take a final look at the preview pane to make sure everything looks right. When you're happy with the layout and settings, click the Print button. Windows will send the job to your printer and print your selected photos arranged together on the same page.